Hello and welcome back to Mark's Electrical Studios. Today we're looking at LG's 49UJ630V 49-inch 4K ultra high definition smart TV. Now this is LG's 2017 entry level 4K UHD TV. It comes in 5 sizes from 43 inches to 65 inches, all at very keen prices. This 49 inch is one of the most popular sizes. It's a good size without being too big for your average living room. Design wise, it has a shiny thin black bezel with black feet and a matte black back. It's a 4K ultra high definition 60Hz 8-bit direct lit IPS with HDR10 and HLG support. That translates to 4 times the detail of full high definition TVs with wide viewing angles and the benefit of HDR's great contrast and depth. The 16.8 million colour shades benefit from big processing power, and standard high definition and Blu-ray signals are upscaled to look really good on this lovely display. With HDR effect for non-HDR signals and active HDR. Movement is decent too, and gamers will be very happy to hear that the input lag in game mode is 18.3 milliseconds with 110 milliseconds in standard mode. Audio comes from 20 watts of 2-channel ultra surround with hi-fi audio, which does a decent job in an average size room. The user interface comes in the form of WebOS 3.5. It's our favourite at the moment, and you can have lots of fun with some great features like Freeview Play, music player and much more. The standard remote control can be upgraded by the brilliant AN's MR650A Magic Remote for voice and universal control for an additional cost. Let's take a quick look at the user interface. Okay, here's the Magic Remote cursor moving around the screen, and if I press the home menu button, the tabs pop up at the bottom, a familiar sight for WebOS users. The LG TV Plus icon brings up the Magic Mobile Connection dialog, which helps you link up your mobile device in a much more usable way than before. Down at the bottom you can scroll through the various option tabs or tiles, which have a nice new look. It's smoother moving too, as you'll see as I slide across. There's some old familiar icons or tiles along there. Now if you go along to the end on the white one, it's edit mode, where you can reposition or delete the tabs or tiles that you don't want, so customization is possible. There are 3 more quick menu options at the top, so if you've used WebOS before, you will notice a big improvement, and if you haven't, you will love WebOS. Okay, let's have a look at the dimensions and connectivity. There's an on-stand height of 705 millimeters. The width of the product is 1110 millimeters. The stand depth is 235 millimeters, and the stand width is 1028 millimeters. Off stand, the height is 650 millimeters. The width again is 1110, and the depth or the thickness of the TV is 81 millimeters. The Visa wall mounting size is 300 by 300. Connectivity includes RFM, there's satellite, component, composite, there's 3 HDMI 2s and 2 USB 2s, there's built-in Wi-Fi, LAN, Bluetooth, common interface and optical audio out. So summing up, this TV opens up the world of 4K UHD with HDR for not a lot of money. You get a very good pick from pretty much anywhere in the room. It's compatible with the latest games consoles, and the user interface is brilliant but simple to use. And you could have one in your home tomorrow. Free delivery with a 2-hour time slot from Mark's Electrical, and that's next day and weekends included. Just click on the link in the description panel below to order one right now.